All right, fam. This is our first hole we're gonna dig right here. Scrap it down. So let's get to work. Brand new auger. Let's see what she do. Looking for the choke on here. Okay. That's on. That's off, right? Yeah, let's see. Let it warm up, baby. See, that's hard down in there, but certain parts of it is soft. So we're gonna put our other bit on, and we're gonna get the hole bigger, and we're gonna get back to work. All right, fam, I had to get my drill to get this one out. It's still kind of soft though, you know. That's why we're gonna go ahead and concrete them in the ground. So therefore, we won't have to worry about it in the future. See how easy that is to come out? I'm gonna set that right there because this side is for this side. All right, fam. Let's get out there hole then. All right, let's clean her out. Look good, and she'll be ready to rock. Yeah, I know, dirt falling back in. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. That's pretty solid down there. Yeah, that's what I need for the concrete. It's solid. Hear that? It's real solid. Yes, sir. That's exactly what I need, baby. Okay, fam, that is about 18 inches, which is good. Definitely good. All right, let's get our fourth hole in. All right, fam, we got all our holes dug. Now it's time for the concrete. Got our concrete right there. Plus, I got 2 more bags around here. Got all our holes dug. Yes, sir. All right, let's get the concrete. All right, fam, we starting on our second hole. Put our concrete in there. Put our concrete in there. You know, I'm learning, man, about this RV life. I never, you know, did nothing like this before. Woohoo! You know, never been off grid, nothing like that. But I'm learning, man. I'm learning as I go, and taking y'all with us on our experience. I'm learning as I go, taking y'all on it with our experience. Make sure that gets some. It's the first time I should have did that, but it's all good. You know? Woo! Almost got me. Almost got me. Almost got me. I'm gonna hold that one like this. We're gonna get some more concrete to put around it. Ah! This is one of the bags of concrete that I got back when we dropped out. So this is all good in the hood. I saved her. I saved her. I saved her. So no concrete gonna get down in the hole. So I can be able to twist off and put it which way I want it. You know? We're gonna hold it right there. We're gonna hold it right there. We're gonna hold it right there, baby. Yeah. So all we're trying to do is make a big slab of concrete. So therefore, and under there, the ground is pretty solid. I mean, real solid. Real solid. Just trying to make a big slab of concrete. And spread out like that, you know? Spread out like that. I don't even need to bring this one back out, because she already aimed. Let me aim a little more right there. That's what I need. That's what I need, baby. All right, more water, more agua. More water, baby. Yes, sir. We're getting her done, fam. We're getting her done. the other day, man. One wasn't even blowing that hard. And the trailer was, that scared us. So that's what we're doing. Stay tuned. We're going to our third hole. All right, fam. We're on our third hole. Yes, sir. We're on our third hole. Let me turn this way so y'all can see me. Talk a little bit about off grid. You know, I give them props out to all my off gridders out there, man. That's trying, at least trying or doing it. You know, that's all you can do. Try to build your homestead up. You know, 3, 4, 5 years. So you better lay back when it's time. You know, you better lay back when it's time. You know, I ain't no spring chicken no more, but I still can move. You know, I still can move. There we go. Like I say, you know, I got gout, and when I came out here, I've been drinking a lot of sodas and stuff, which I know I shouldn't be, but you know, I put the sodas down. And it's getting a lot better. You know, I can't eat no red meat, no steak, no pork, none of that. No lamb, none of that. You know? But it's all good. We're just trying to create a barrier. So create us a barrier. The ground is pretty hard already. Ground is pretty hard down there. Like from the beginning, it's soft. When I drilled them in the other day, you know, they were real soft. Let's get that out of there so she can be clear. It's gonna be a little concrete in there. Everything's good. Pack her in there. You know, they tell me, I haven't experienced it yet, but they tell me the winds are terrible out here. And we just had a little minor experience with the winds, and it wasn't right. It wasn't right at all. It wasn't right at all. So we're gonna do our thing. Yes, sir. That's the third one, baby. Stay tuned for the fourth one. All right, fam. We're on our final and fourth hole for now. I'll get this concrete up in there. And yeah, we're gonna show y'all how we strapped it down. This concrete up in there. And then we're gonna show y'all how we strapped it down. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Let's get it in there. Let's get it in there. Let's get it in there. All right. Let's get it in there, baby. Let's get it in there. A little bit more. There we go. Cap on. So no concrete won't build up in there. And then we have another issue. All right, we're gonna let that sit. Then we're gonna show y'all how we're gonna strap her. Stay tuned. All right, fam. We put our hurricane straps on. Cat is putting the hurricane strap on for the winds. We're getting some winds this morning. We're about to get rain probably for the next 3-4 days. So she is now putting the strap on. We already put 2 straps on around. This is the 3rd one. We couldn't really show y'all because we had to get them on it. And I don't like the way the wind was blowing this morning. So yeah. That's the straps right there. These are the hurricane straps that we put on the trailer. And these are the things I anchored in the ground yesterday with the concrete. So what I basically did is made a big slab and filled it all up with concrete so it can be heavy. So the wind can't pull you know, pull the dirt. So this is how we put them on right here. Put it right there. Wind is blowing. This say only 15 miles an hour winds. But yeah, this is the first time we experienced the winds of
And I'm going to tell you to make use the extract so you another thing I researched that if you put a fence around the trailer, that it would help. If you put a fence around the trailer, it helps with and the fence needs to have like holes in it, and it'll help actually break the wind and put the fence 6 to 10 feet away from the from your RV. And they said that will help break up a lot of wind and really help from tilting and things like that. So I'm gonna get the mic back to Tony.
All right, see our solar lights still on at night. These are good solar lights. Yes. So she's tying it down. So the flap won't be flapping everywhere. She's putting a good tight tie in the straps. All right, go around the color and show you how we scrapped them on. Like I say, the wind is blowing this morning. We're supposed to get some rain. Okay, this is the front of the truck. We already got them scrapped. And there's scrap under there to the frame. I come out this morning, the chairs is down the street and everything. So Arizona do have some strong winds. Alright, this is the other side. Right here. You know, I anchored them in the ground yesterday. Just made a big slab of concrete. Alright. This is what the sky looked like this morning. And as you can hear, the winds are blowing. For the next, it is 8 o'clock in the morning. And this is what it looked like, the skies. The sun is behind a cloud. There's Route 40 over there. can see the cars are riding. It's over there, so y'all can see. That's Route 40. And the winds are blowing. This is what it look like out here in the desert. Now make sure everything is strapped down and ready to rock. Yes, sir. Alright. Until next time. We out. All good.